how can you stop your students sharing their login information with other people? This is a big question that a lot of course creators have. They're really worried that if they sell a course to somebody, that person's going to go and share their login details with the whole wide world. Now, first question is, do you share all of your passwords and all of your login access to all of the accounts that you have? Probably not. However, it does happen, and let's just address it. First of all, when you are out there delivering great content, providing amazing courses and changing people's lives, a few people that share their login information are not going to take the dinner off of your table. Now, if anything, it's actually helping you reach more people, make more of a positive impact in the world, and give you more fans and free marketing. Let's face it, if you're the author of a book, you're going to want people to share your book. You're going to want people to read your book, buy it for themselves, and then take that book and gift it to somebody else and say, this book was amazing. Why? Because you as the author are getting the credibility, you as the author are getting the credit, and you as the author are getting lots more fans for your business. Ding! But of course, we do want to, as course creators, reduce this happening as far as we possibly can. And there are a few things that you can do depending on the tech and the software that you're using and on the setup that you have. The first thing that you can do is to make sure that you are making your course truly valuable for only one person. As an example, you could be including a community aspect to your course, whereby, for instance, if you're creating a Facebook community, only that Facebook account can actually log into that secret Facebook group. So if I have gone and shared my login details to your course, but your course has a secret Facebook group that comes with it, I'm going to be pretty unlikely to want to share my private Facebook login details with my friends so that they can join that group under my name. So having a Facebook community where it's only that Facebook user that's actually going to be able to access the real juice, where you are personally answering questions, you can be providing content or information that's in addition to the course portal area in that group, you are going to be able to kind of pull out the total value that free user might think they were going to get by sharing some login information. Another thing that you can do, number 2, is you can also enable social login to your learning management system. So instead of people logging in with an email address and a password that they might share with their friends, you can actually make it so that they can only log into your platform by using their social media accounts. So it connects directly to their Facebook account or their Insta or their LinkedIn, for instance. Again, people are way less likely to share the login details to their private social media profiles. So by enabling social login to your platform, you can reduce the risk of people sharing logins. Third thing you can do to reduce people sharing their login details to your courses is to enable two-factor authentication when they log in. So yes, I might have to type in my email address and password to access your portal, but if you've got two-factor authentication turned on, I'm going to receive a text message on my mobile phone with a code that I have to then type in to get in. Of course, this is giving extra steps to your users, so you might want to consider if you actually want to turn this on, right? You don't want to create barriers for your actual paying clients to access your content. However, if you really are worried about people sharing login information, then having that two-factor authentication turned on can definitely reduce people sharing. If you create a very personalized experience for your programs, if you're providing one-on-one coaching to the individual who signs up to the course, if they get access to Zoom rooms, for instance, and live coaching calls, of course, only the individual that signed up is going to be able to access that Zoom call and get in. You can also issue certificates at the end of the course. So, of course, you're only going to be able to issue a certificate of completion to the individual who signed up to the actual program and paid for it, and anyone else who has access to that is not going to be certificated by the end. There are a lot more things that you can do that don't involve special techie stuff. It's all about the delivery and providing a very personalized experience to your students so that it truly is only valuable to that one individual who purchased it. So there you go. There are ways that you can reduce people sharing login information to your online courses. But really, my final word on this is please don't worry too much about this happening. You will not get that happening as much as you're getting people who are, investing in your programs. If you do want more tips, more information, you can come and join my free course creation starter kit at sarahcordon.com/starter kit, or you can come and join my Concept to Course 30-day course creation group coaching program. Yes, I am a qualified teacher trainer and have been in this business for a very long time, not one of those scammy marketers. Come and join me there, and I'll be there every step of the way to help you get your online course business up and running, helping people all over the world and making your business grow. I'll see you there.